Yes, very good morning. Good morning to all of you. So today I will take your English grammar class. Okay? English grammar. And today I will start the second chapter of your grammar book. That is chapter number 2, questions and statements. Open page number 3 from your grammar book. Okay? Questions and statements. All of you have opened? Please respond. Page number 3. Okay, so first let's understand question and statements. Which sentences we can call a question and which sentences we can call a statement. You can see there are some examples from your book from page number 3. Okay, that is, what is your name? If I give you this example, what is your name? Then, yes, good morning. So from this sentence we can see that this sentence is asking something to us, something to you. This sentence is asking something to you, and that's why we call it as question. And a question sentence will always take a question mark with it. Right? Understood? So, yes, what is your name? That is, from this sentence we can understand that this is asking something to you. And which sentences ask something to you or to us, those sentences are called question sentences. Okay? And always a question sentence will take a question mark. Okay? And then if I give you this answer, if you will also definitely give me some answer that what is your name. So you can write it like, if I write my name is Sucharita, then I have given my answer. With the sentence, with the second sentence, I have given my answer. So this answer sentence will call a statement. Yes, and a statement will always take a full stop with it. So the sentence that says just state something, only simply state something to us, those sentence will call a statement, and a statement will always take a full stop with it. Aryan, in my computer from here I can see myself clearly, so it might be your problem. Aryan, please, who are having problem, please check your internet connection first. Okay, because in my computer I can see myself. If the camera will not be working now, then I will also not be seeing myself. Okay, so if I am seeing myself in my computer, then the camera is working. So please, whoever is having problem, please check your internet connection. Okay, so this is very simple, that the sentences that ask something to you, that is question sentence, it will take a question mark. And a sentence that is simply state something to us, means it can be an answer or simply state something to us, those are called statement. Okay, and a statement will always take a full stop with it. Okay, clear all of you? Anyone has any doubt with it? What is question and what is statement? Can we proceed towards the exercises? So let's proceed towards the exercises, and all of you try to give me the answer. Okay, I am erasing the board. Arushi, why are you saying that you cannot see me? I can see myself here. It is no problem. The camera is working fine. Please check your internet connection. Okay, so let's continue towards with the exercises. B part, page number 3. Okay, so it is saying that put a full stop or a question mark at the end of these sentences. So first, there are 10 sentences you can see. We need to understand what which sentence is a question sentence and which sentence is a statement, and according to that we will put a full stop or a question mark. Okay, let's see. All of you try to give me answer. I will just write the answer. In winter, number 1. In winter, many birds come to this lake. So this is a simply statement. So it will take a full stop. Full stop. Yes, very good. Number 2. Can we see some cranes in the lake? Can we see some cranes in the lake? This is a yes. Number 1 is full stop. Very good. Number 2 is yes, question. This is asking something to us, right? And to you. So can we see some cranes in the lake? This will take a question mark. Right? Yeah. Very good. Number 3. The cranes come here from Siberia. So the cranes come here from Siberia. Number 3, yes. Number 3 also a simple statement. It will take a full stop. Yeah. Number 4. We will visit this place again in winter. We will visit this place again in winter. This is yes. This is all of you. Good. Very good. All of you. So this is a statement. So it will take a full stop. Number 5. Yes. Number 4 is a full stop. Number 5. When will the winter holidays begin? Yes. Very good. Number 5 is when will the winter holidays begin? This is a question sentence. So it will take a yes. Very good, all of you. Question mark. Number 6. Have you ever seen a snowfall? Number 6. Yes, Ahana, Shaptorshi. Yes, Anushka. Very good. Debayon, Darsh. Right. So, have you ever seen a snowfall? This is a question sentence. Arutro, you have completed. Very good. This is a question sentence. So, it will take a question mark. Have you ever seen a snowfall? Question mark. Yes. Number 7. In Shimla, there is often a snowfall in December. In Shimla, there is often a snowfall in December. So, yes, very good. Orithro, Anushka, right. Devorshi, Alokendu, right. So, in Shimla, there is often a snowfall in December. This is a statement. So it will take a full stop. Number 8. I will go to Shimla this year in December. I will go to Shimla this year in December. Yes, I will go to Shimla this year in December. This is simply a statement. Yes, Sharanya, Zarin, Auditro, you are right. Alokendu, Shaptoshi, okay. Good. So this is I will go to Shimla this year in December. This is a statement. So full stop. Number 9. Will you go alone? Will you go alone? This is Debayon. Yes. Auditro, Sharanya, Dar, Shaptoshi. Very good. And what about the other students? Please try to give me answer. You can see your friends are giving answers. Yeah, very good. So, will you go alone? This is a question. So, it will take a question mark. And number 10, the last. Where will you stay? Where will you stay? Where will you stay? Yes, very good. This is also a question. So, question. So, I am repeating all of these once again. Number 1 is a statement, so full stop. Number 2 is a question, so question mark. Number 3 is a statement, so full stop. Number 4 is a statement, full stop. Number 5 is a question, then question mark. Number 6 is also a question, then question mark. Number 7 is full stop. This is a statement. Number 8 also a statement, so it will take a full stop. Number 9, this is a question, so question mark, and number 10 also is a question mark. Okay, all of you have done this. Okay, fine. So you can see this is also a small chapter, and the chapter is also completed today. Okay, so now please give your present. And no one will leave. All of you give your present. No one will leave or you will be absent. Priyanshu is present. Yes, Rishan. Okay. Okay, students, I have taken all of you present. Okay, students, so I have taken you present and the chapter is also completed. So practice this chapter very well at your home. Okay, so today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye all of you. Bye.